Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising hands. Let's start today's topic. The X Empire Airdrop has become one of the most anticipated events in the crypto gaming space, offering users a chance to claim $X tokens. With the growing popularity of the X Empire coin and its community, especially on Telegram, it's crucial for users to know how to qualify and maximize their chances in this airdrop. Here's everything you need to know to ensure you're ready to claim your share of the X Empire Airdrop. What is X Empire and why the hype? X Empire is a blockchain-based project making waves in the decentralized finance (DeFi) world. It is designed to empower users by offering a seamless platform for trading, staking, and governance, with a keen focus on community engagement. The X Empire coin is the native token, offering users access to platform utilities and rewards, while the X Empire Airdrop is the project's way of rewarding early adopters and community supporters. How to qualify for the X Empire Airdrop. Participating in the X Empire Airdrop requires fulfilling specific criteria. Here's how you can qualify. Join the official Telegram group. Since the X Empire community is highly active on Telegram, joining their official group is crucial. The airdrop process might begin with tasks in the group, so keep an eye on announcements about the X Empire Airdrop. Search for the phrase, "What is X Empire?" on Telegram to find direct links to the community. Complete KYC. Know your customers. Some airdrops, including the X Empire Airdrop, may require participants to complete a KYC process to ensure transparency and avoid fraudulent activities. Hold a minimum balance of X Empire coin. Holding a specific number of X Empire coins in your wallet may increase your chances of receiving the airdrop. Details about the exact requirements will be shared on their official channels. Engage with the ecosystem. Whether it's staking, trading, or governance participation, being active within the X Empire ecosystem may grant you additional benefits. Currently, there are a lot of games running on the platform, from X Empire daily combos to riddles and rebus. Try to complete